Hi there, I'm hopping on real quick to show you this junk journal kit that I have available in my Etsy shop. And I only have one. This is the one I have. This is a pre-cut, pre-made kit that you're going to glue into this accordion book. And what it is I had this class last week, and this was my demo kit. So I had put together all the pages to make it easier to teach the class so that I could, stand up there and show them what they were going to do to put their pieces together. So this one is going to be really, really easy. You're going to take this accordion book that comes with it, and then the cover, this one goes, all you have to do is glue this down onto the cover. It's already pre-cut, so you glue that one down, and then when you open it up, we have this one that goes in inside front cover. So you're going to glue, let me move that over a little bit. So you're just going to take your glue all over here, glue stick, whichever you want, and put it down there. And then we've got page 1. This is our inside cover, page 1. You're going to glue down here. And this is a cute one. It's a very interactive album. So, once you have that glued down, you can open this up, put pictures in, do some journaling, and then we're going to flip this over, and we've got page 2 here. You're just going to glue that down on there. Then you've got page 3. You're going to take that and glue that down here. And this is really cute. You've got your room for more pictures and journaling. And then you'll take the next page, page 4, and glue that down. And you really would not have to put them in this particular order. You could glue them down in any order you wanted. But I just wanted to give you an idea how easy it's going to be. Just take your glue and get them in there, okay? And then you're ready to do your journaling and adding photos. Again, we have all kinds of interactive pieces and parts already made for you. And if you wanted to see, I do have a video of the walkthrough. I have a video of me putting it together and then a video of the walkthrough. You will also get, you do not have to necessarily use them. There's enough pieces and parts, but if you like, there's extra tags to cut out, and then there's some ephemera pieces to cut out. But again, you wouldn't have to do them. You will have enough interactive pieces and parts in here to keep you happy. So anyway, hop on over to my Etsy store and check it out. I only have one available. Thanks.